Life! You are in a treat right now. This is Thursday's update, number 20 of the years. Can you believe this? This is exciting. I'm sharing today information that I'm very sure is going to help you in some way or another, either you like it or not. Okay, today I'm talking about a 4-unit in Long Beach, just under $1 million. Is it worth it to buy this kind of property? Is it an investment? Well, let's talk about this. Passive income. Lydia, top producer. Love you. Melanie, Mike. Hello, everybody. Well, let's go to, talking about the 4 units in Long Beach, talking about interest rate, how interest rates are looking like today. I'm going to give you even scenarios with real pricings right now happening. Talking about crypto, of course, crypto. What's happening with crypto, huh? Remember, it's about cycles. Everything in life is about cycle, especially crypto. I'm going to be talking about that. And then at the end, I'm going to be talking something that I believe. And by the way, just in case you don't know, I have a book coming in super soon. And there is a chapter called The Alternative. That's something I believe was alternative. All right, let's go to the point. We have a beautiful day today in the AV. Believe me, today I'd rather be here in the AV. This is a new slogan because I didn't know and I didn't pay attention. Sometimes here in the AV, because we are high in the mountain, the weather is perfect. Like today is 75, 80. And down below on the beach, Malibu, Beverly Hills, Newport Beach, San Diego, Orange County, it's like 65. And for me, I'm a sunny guy. I like 70 and above. So today I'd rather be here in the AV. Okay, let's go to the point. Fourplex, talking about the bay, talking about the coast, talking about Long Beach. There is a beautiful property. It's a little old, I think it's 1970, but it's 4 units. One of the units is 4 bedroom, 2 bathrooms. The other unit is 2 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, and has another 2 units, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. So 4 units. The whole income for the 4 units is about $5,000 a month right now. The income right there, the rental is a little low. Remember they have Section 8, but it's going to improve 8% every year. So it's about $60,000 a year gross income. That means return of investment is 6%. The question is it worth it to invest in a property that's going to give you 6% return of investment? Well, my opinion is it depends, of course, on what are you looking for. What's the alternative? That's another thing I'm going to be talking at the end of Thursday's update today. And the main point is this. If you have $1 million in the bank, probably the $1 million in the bank is paying you 0.001%. And now the question would be, do you want to get paid 0.001% of your $1 million in the bank that every year is going to lose at least 2 to 5% value because of the dollars losing value every year because of the money printing? Or you rather have that money in a property that you can see it, you can touch it, and every year it's going to give you 6% gross income, and every year can go up 8% on the return of investment. Besides that, it's getting at least 5-7% appreciation in equity every 12 months for the next at least 1-2 years. We don't know after that because remember, everything is about cycles. But the point is, if you want to keep the money in the bank, just keep it there, then this is not for you. But if you need to move the money and do something about it, this is for you, and I believe it's an important investment. You can buy with only 25%. You don't need to put the whole $1 million cash. If you buy with 25%, you're going to get to your pocket after paying the mortgage on the property. The mortgage on the property, I think, was going to be like, with the 25% down, was going to be around $3,800. Hey, Alice. So, if you get $5,000 gross income after paying whatever utility bills you have to pay, like water and trash, you're going to get to your pocket like $800 a month net. For $250,000, I think it's worth it because the property has potential to grow and the location is extraordinary. It's right there in the Long Beach next to the Pacific Coast Highway. If you want to know more about the listing, let me know. I'm the lender helping and I can share with you the information of the listing agent. But I believe it is an opportunity and it's the lowest 4 units in pretty much the area. Everything is over $1 million. Okay, now you know. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinion and let me know if you know somebody who might be interested. Okay. Hey Jimmy, thank you for joining us. All right, now let's talk about rates. What's the interest rate looking like today? I'm gonna give you 2 scenarios we just put in today, right now. Rate and term. We are doing a 30-year fixed rate and term, and the interest rate for the client ended up being at 2.99% no points. The FICO score is 720, and the loan amount is $400,000. So if you know anybody who is looking to change their loan from FHA to conventional because they have equity and they want to remove the mortgage insurance and they want to drop the rate, we can do today's rate at 2.99 with no extra points, no extra costs. If you want to go lower, we can go even 2.5, 2.25, but it's going to cost money. If you ask me, like many buyers, many borrowers, is it worth it to pay right now extra to buy down the rate because I want to have a lowest rate ever? No, it's not worth it because more likely in 5 years from now, or 10 years from now, the rates are going to be lower and you're going to come back and you're going to regret paying that money. Just do whatever you're going to do with the rate, par without extra cost. So 2.9 for this refi. We're doing a purchase right now. By the way, Lydia's buyer, the family, Saldana's family, we are giving them a discount because coming referred by my friend, and we've been working with those clients for 4 months. Can you believe it? The FICO score was low, and the client wasn't full-time, now it's full-time. Oh, we did a lot of things with the client, and now the rate for them should be at least 3.25, but we're gonna give them a discount to make sure the payment and the rate is good for them. It's gonna be 2.875, which is amazing, and they are super happy, and I'm super happy for them. And at the same time, we have a refi cash out. The client is pulling out $150,000. Refi cash out, 664 FICO. They're getting 3.5% interest rate, 30-year fix. Those are the rates today. You let me know what you think. If you know anybody who needs help with the rates and the mortgage, and needs to refi, or needs to do a purchase, please send them over. We need to increase the pipeline. Right now, I'm gonna tell you the truth. We are underperforming because we should be having more people to help right now with those rates that we have. And that pipeline doesn't show that. So we need your help, please send them over. Okay, now let's talk about crypto. Why am I talking about crypto? Well, because like I was saying at the beginning, I believe in the alternative. I believe in something else. I believe that right now, for example, having money in the bank is worth less because money, dollars in the bank lose value every month. I already have a rental income property like the 4 units I was talking about. I already have even stocks, depending on the stock you're gonna buy. Even though right now it's not a good time to buy stocks because they're at the peak. But personally, I think there is a way to save some money in crypto like Bitcoin if you do it wisely, if you do it consistently, if you do it without speculating about buying and selling. I don't believe on that strategy for crypto because my point of view and the way I'm doing it is in the long run, and that's what I'm looking for. So talking about crypto cycles. Like Bitcoin, I don't know if you know, Bitcoin every 4 years, they have something called halving. And that means pretty much whatever Bitcoin mining is happening in the world get reduced by half. I don't know if you know, Bitcoin only is gonna have a maximum supply of 21 million coins, which is the reason why people call it the gold of monetary digital currency. And that's one of the reasons I like, that's the reason why it's giving value because it's scarce. And right now it's having high demand. So Bitcoin has cycles, goes ups and down. Right now it might have a correction, right now having a dip. When it's a dip, it's time to buy before it goes up. In the long run, it will go up. You will see. So that's what's happening with cycles, and that's what's happening with crypto and Bitcoin, and that's my opinion. It's the alternative. It's better than having just cash in the bank unless you're buying multi-units, like the 4 units in Long Beach, and I do the loan for you with 25% down. All right, and now last but not least, talking about the alternative. What's going on with that? Well, just let me tell you, I just finished a book, and the book should be out soon, and there is a chapter I talk about the alternative. There's something I believe personally in my life, my culture, that you have to do something about it. If for any reason you don't like that, what's the alternative for you? Like right now, for example, let's say you have money in the bank, and you don't want to have money in the bank. You want to do something else. What's the alternative? Are you going to buy real estate? Are you going to buy crypto? Or you're going to buy a business? So it's pretty much the same thing. Everything in life is about what's the alternative. Like for any reason, you don't like crypto, that's fine. You don't have to like it. I'm not here to convince you. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you my opinion, sharing with you some information. But if you don't like that, what's the alternative? If you're not going to buy stocks because the market's going to crash, if you don't want to buy real estate because it's too high and the bubble is going to pump, what are you going to do? What's the alternative? And that's my point of view. Just think what's the alternative. All right, guys, that's it for now. Remember, Big shout out to my babies, Barbara and Sebastian. I love you. Remember, Daddy love you, and Daddy always with you, even though you don't see me. And Daddy is gonna be here doing everything he has control on to make sure you guys are gonna be okay and happy, okay? And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Carlos Lopez Morgan Show. I need your help. Jimmy, how you subscribe? Alice, how you subscribe? Lady, I know you did. Thank you. Melanie, I know you did. Mike, I know most of the people have done it yet, but please, I need to get to 1,000 at least there, and I can help more people. And please send the referrals. Remember, every Thursday's update, and tomorrow es viernes y el cuerpo lo sabe. Los viernes en español, viernes el cuerpo lo sabe. That's it for now. Love you. Peace out. Take it easy. Well, it might be a gold mine, Jimmy. At least has rental income and it's in a great location. You want to know more? Let me know. Send me a text. Jimmy, take care, Bobby.